Good morning, students. Welcome back to our class, that is Plasmodium vivax, which is causing malaria. Now let us see structure of the sporozoid, which is the infective stage. Before going to that, let us learn about 2 days. I told you that Sir Ronald Ross, in our own state at Secunderabad, studied on Plasmodium vivax, and he discovered oocyst stage in the crop of mosquito on 20th August. That is why 20th August is considered as World Mosquito Day. When is World Mosquito Day? It is 20th August. And World Malaria Day was declared by World Health Organization, that is on 25th April. 20th August World Mosquito Day and 25th April World Malaria Day. These 2 days you have to note down and remember. And let us see the structure of the sporozoid. This is the infective stage. How is this? It is sickle shaped. The shape of the sporozoid is the sickle shape. Sickle shape means broad in the middle and pointed at both the ends. And when we see internally, we can see nucleus and convoluted tubules, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus are also there, and secretory organelles are there, which open into apical cup. This is the apical cup. So the animal is surrounded by this sporozoid. Sporozoid, it is the infective stage of Plasmodium, is surrounded by pellicle, elastic pellicle and microtubules, which help it in wriggling movement. Wriggling movement means worm-like movement. And here we can see secretory organelles. These are the secretory organelles. What are they secreting? They secrete cytolytic enzyme. Cytolytic enzyme means which help in dissolving the cells. So this sporozoid, when it enters into human beings, it breaks or it dissolves the liver cells and enters into liver cells. So there this cytolytic enzyme is helping. Where from the cytolytic enzyme is coming? From the secretory organelles. These are the secretory organelles. And there are some convoluted tubules, folded tubules are there, whose function is not known till now. This is also important. What is the function of convoluted tubules? It is not known till now. And this is the cytoplasm. And when we measure it, it is 15 microns in length and 1 micron in width. 15 microns in length and 1 micron in width. This is the structure of sporozoid. What is sporozoid? It is the infective stage of Plasmodium vivax. Infective stage of Plasmodium vivax. And the structure was discovered by scientist Garnham. Garnham discovered the structure of the sporozoid. This is apical cup with which it attaches to the liver cells, and these are the secretory organelles which releases cytolytic enzymes, and pellicle with microtubules which gives it wriggling movement. Nucleus is there. Convoluted tubules are there whose function is not known. And we can also see mitochondria. This is the sporozoid, which is infective stage. And let us continue the topic in the next video.